Hello, this is Reverend Bill McBride from Future Focused Seniors. Let me ask you, how do you, or if you were asking, how do I find a new purpose in my life after my retirement when I feel lost? Let me help you do that today in our video.
Retirement is supposed to be the reward, so why does it feel empty? If you've recently retired and find yourself asking, now what? You're not alone. The job's over, the routine's gone, and for the first time in decades, you're free, but maybe also a little lost. Here's the truth. Retirement isn't the end. It's the beginning of your second life. And the secret to feeling fulfilled? It's finding a new purpose, one that excites you, challenges you, and lets you contribute in a way that matters. Ask yourself, what skills do I already have that others need? What did I always wish I had time to do? Who could benefit from my experience? You don't need to start from scratch. You just need a spark. Here are 3 powerful ways to rediscover purpose post-retirement. Number 1. Mentorship or teaching. Your experience is priceless. Offer guidance online or locally. Number 2. Start a digital side hustle. Use tools like ChatGPT to build a blog, a YouTube channel, or online course around what you know. Number 3. Volunteer with impact. Don't just give time. Give strategy, wisdom, and leadership to other folks who are seeking a good retirement. Your purpose now can be freedom-fueled. No more clocking in, no more answering to a boss and helping them reach their dreams. Now, in your retirement, you are the boss, and you can reach all your dreams up ahead. You can build a legacy, a passion project, or even a second income stream on your terms. Want help finding your new purpose step by step? Download my free guide, The Unexpected Gift, Finding Your Extraordinary Purpose in the Empty Nest. I draw upon my 45 years of experience as a pastor and my own journey and learning as I moved into retirement 5 years ago. I offer you a roadmap for this exciting phase of life. I'll help you navigate the whispers of change, embrace the gift of this transition, and cultivate a life filled with renewed faith, purpose, and joy. Your link to grab your personal copy of my gift ebook is in the description. My ebook is packed with ideas, tools, and expert personal mentorship to turn your next powerful mission into a reality. And if this video helped you today, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone else ready for a purpose-filled retirement, because your best years aren't behind you. They're just getting started. Thanks for watching.